Everything you can learn from a free VIN check.
Hello, and welcome to our informational video. Today, we're discussing a very useful tool when it comes to buying a used car or researching an already owned vehicle, a free VIN number check. This simple tool can reveal a wealth of knowledge about a vehicle's past, and it's absolutely free.
What is a VIN?
Before we dive into what information a VIN check can reveal, let's quickly cover what a VIN is. VIN stands for Vehicle Identification Number. This unique 17-character code provides details about the vehicle, including its manufacturer, year of production, model, and more. No two vehicles have the same VIN, making it an incredibly useful tool for tracking a vehicle's history.
What information can a free VIN check provide?
Now, onto the main question. What information can you glean from a free VIN check? Here are some of the key pieces of information you can typically find. 1. Basic vehicle information. This includes make, model, year, type of engine, and other manufacturing details. 2. Title information. Find out if the vehicle has a clean title, a salvage title, or a junk title. This can alert you to any major issues in the vehicle's past. 3. Odometer readings. Has the vehicle's mileage been reported accurately, or is there a potential for odometer fraud? 4. Accident history. Has the vehicle been in any reported accidents? This might influence its safety and reliability. 5. Recall information. Are there any open recalls on the vehicle that haven't been addressed? 6. Registration and inspection history. Find out if the vehicle has been registered properly and if it has passed required inspections. Remember, while a free VIN check can provide a lot of valuable information, it may not include every detail of a vehicle's past.
How accurate is a free VIN check?
The accuracy of a free VIN check largely depends on the quality of the database from which the information is drawn. While the VIN number itself is highly reliable as it's unique to each vehicle, the reported information may have gaps due to unreported accidents or maintenance work. Always use the information from a VIN check as one tool in your overall vehicle research process, and consider getting a professional vehicle inspection for a thorough analysis. And there we have it. A free VIN check is a powerful tool to get basic information about a vehicle's past. It can help you avoid potential headaches and financial loss when buying a used vehicle, or give you valuable insight into a car you already own. We hope this video has been helpful and enlightening. Safe driving!